how to make wedding invitation link. So not only will the person be able to download the invitation using the link, as you can see, but you are also going to get a free live website to host your invitation, as well as a free subdomain. So how do we do it? Let's get right into the content. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search, as you can see, simply come here and then search for small PDF. Okay, so just like this one, small PDF, and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, simply come and then select the official side of small PDF, and it's going to bring you right here to the official site. Okay, so when you look at the top side, you're going to see we have convert, and then come and then press or click on it, and then come here to where it says choose file, and then come and then click on it. Okay, over here, come and then choose the invitation that you want to create the link for. Okay, we are first going to convert it to PDF first, and then come and then click on the open. Okay, so when you click on it, as you can see, the image has been added successfully right here. Okay, all that you have to do is to simply look at the top right hand corner and then come and click on the finish. Okay, so as you can see, the image is being trying to be converted to PDF for us. All that you have to do is that, as you can see here, where we have the export as, okay, come and then click on it where it shows the down arrow. You can choose any of these, but simply come and then select compress into bracket PDF. Okay, so when you select it, simply come here and then make sure that the basic is being selected. Okay, so when you select it, come here to the compress and then come and then click on the compress, and you will see that our image, our wedding invitation, has been compressed in a PDF format for us. Now simply come to the download and then come and click on the download. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded it. So to open it, come and then put the mouse on showing the folder and then click on it. So this is our PDF. Okay, this is the image that you have been able to convert to PDF. Let's try and then open it, and this is our wedding invitation. Great. Now how do we create the link for it? That is exactly what I'm going to show you. Let's go back to Google. Okay, and then from Google search, simply come here and then come and then search for Tiiny Host. Okay, Tiiny Host with double I in the spelling. Okay, and then come and hit on the enter. So when you hit on the enter, simply come here to the Tiiny Host and then come and select the official site. Okay, it is going to bring you right here. What you have to do right here is that first you have to come and then create a link name. Okay, how you want your link to be called. Okay, simply come and then put it right here. So since it is wedding, I'm going to call mine as Mark and then Rebecca, just like this one. After that, simply come here, and then you are going to see that this is going to be added to the name that you selected. Okay, and then simply come down here to where we have the PDF and then come and then click on it. Sometimes this is going to happen. It simply means that you don't have to leave a space in between. Okay, so it is in a form of a subdomain, so don't leave a space. So let me clear the space, and then even the N, let me use a letter. Okay, so I'm simply going to leave it as Mark and Rebecca, just like this one. Okay, so always make sure how to create the title, the name link, or the name of the link. Okay, so after that, simply come here and then come and then choose the PDF again, and great, as you can see, we can now upload it. So simply come to where it says upload file and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, what that you have to do is to simply come and then select the PDF that you have been able to convert it. Okay, so when you select it, simply come and then click on the open, and then as you can see, the PDF has been added for us. Okay, so the PDF has been added, and then simply come here to where it says please verify your email. Okay, we need to verify for them to know that we are not like spamming the platform. Okay, we can do that through any of these Gmail platforms. All that you have to do is simply come down here to where it says email, and then come and then put in your email address, and then simply come here to where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. So when you click on it, yes, we have successfully created our URL, or our subdomain. Okay, what we have to do now is that we have to verify it. Okay, so from here they are saying that they have sent us a verification mail that we have to go and then check inside our inbox and then verify it. But sometimes it might not come. So if you don't get it, simply come down here to where it says recent email and then come and click on it. Okay, so let's go into our inbox. So we have the message here. Let's come and then click on it. So let's open it, and then over here simply come down here to where it says verify. Okay, so this option says verify. Come and then click on it. So when you click on it, the first thing I have to do is to simply tell them what you are going to use the platform for. Okay, so we are going to simply go and then select for personal, project, or website. So when you look down here, it says that if you have any additional information you can add it, but since it is optional, let's leave it like that and simply come here to where it says complete and then come and click on the complete. So when you click on the complete, boom, we have successfully created our link for our wedding invitation, and it is working amazing. Okay, so as you can see, this is the link. It is live and we didn't pay any money. Okay, so you can click on the view site to view it, or you can simply come down here to where it says copy link and then come and click on it and then copy it directly and share it to your loved ones. Okay, so let's go here and then let's come and then click on the view site and then look at it. Okay, so as you can see, the wedding invitation is right here. If they want to download it, they can use the download button to download it, and it is working successfully. Okay, so this is actually how to create a link for your wedding invitation. I want you to like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.